436-1212. That's the number to call if you have a legal question for Charley O'Hara. Charley joins us now live in the studio. Interesting things happened this weekend, Charley, and a lot of people, especially with anytime there's an election year, we talk about the First Amendment and the right to free speech and things like that. With a celebrity saying, you know, I'm going to blow up the White House. I was thinking about blowing up the White House. It's interesting the fine line of what is a threat and what is, as you would say, rhetoric. Well, yeah, and we have to be real careful. I mean, we've kind of got into a society now where people try to take everything literally and turn it. I mean, you can't even say, as I was saying to you earlier, jokingly, if you do that again, I'm going to kill you. Well, I guess somebody would say that's a threat. That's really not a threat. Okay. And to say, I mean, when Madonna said that, I didn't take that as that she was really going to blow up the White House. Maybe some people did. I didn't take it that way. I thought it was kind of rhetoric on her part. Okay. The fact that it may have been in quite poor taste is not the same as being an actual threat. Yeah, and I think there's a huge difference between poor taste and an actual threat. You've got to really feel like you're threatened. Right. That she's really doing something. She's really going to do it. Okay. Entry, we do have a phone call right now, so hey, caller, go ahead and ask your question to Charley.
Is there a statute of limitations on a debt in collections?
Yes, there is. And I'm not sure. It kind of depends on a lot of factors, but normally most statutes of limitations are around 5 years, and there's exceptions to that for a lot of reasons, but most of them are. So a general idea is that if something happens, you've got 5 years to do it. Now, there's exceptions. If you're paying on it, there's a whole bunch of exceptions to that. I know there's a lot of letters from attorneys that collect debts going out right now. I've got a lot of calls about it in the last week. But you need to check with an attorney and see if those are really something you have to pay or whether the time's run on that.
All right. Thanks so much, Charley, and appreciate your phone calls, too. We're back here in just a moment to check in with Shane.